how to use love to heal your body, to heal the sick, to heal those around you. Love is a vibration, a smooth, calm, blissful, easeful vibration. Love is a state of being, a state of self-realization. You have been using love for many things in your life, to manifest many things in your life. You have been using love. This is why you are here. You are here on this planet because you manifest this body using love. You are wearing what you're wearing because you loved it, or maybe because you love it right now. You have this camera in your hand, you have this phone in your hands right now because there was a time you loved the phone, or you still love the phone. You see, your whole life is made by love. Everything you love, you attract to you. Everything you love, you manifest from within you. If you have love for hate, you're going to attract hate in your life. If you have love for money, money will control your life. If you have love for health, good health will be a state of which your body experience. If you have love for peace, you're going to experience inner peace. And the world around you is also going to experience inner peace. Peace within, peace without. If you have love for what you do, you're going to be successful. But if you hate what you do, you are not going to be successful. Using love to transform your life and impact the world in a positive way. You have been using love since you were a little baby. Love is a vibrational frequency that you vibrate out in whichever direction you choose. You can use love whenever you want. You can give love to whoever you want. And in return, you also experience love. You give love, you receive love. If you use hate as a vibrational thought frequency to hurt other people, you too, you're going to attract hate in your life. Therefore, love is very powerful. Love, any love. Love is not just a word. Love is not just, it's not a heart. It's not coming from your heart. That's not love. Love is not coming from your head either. True love comes from your spirit. your innermost self, you, the soul, the spirit vibrates love. True love comes from a place of bliss, a place of calmness, a place of ease. When you're at peace, the vibration of love is more stronger, is more powerful, is more transformative. You can use your love to perform miracles. You can use your love, your inner love, to enhance other parts of your life. You can use love to become more courageous. You can use love to become wiser. You can use love to heal diseases and sicknesses. Love can open the toughness of man's heart. Love has the power to silence the ego, the conditioned mind, completely. You have courage, inner wisdom, enthusiasm, you have understanding. All of those will be very, very, very much alive when you use love, which is one of the highest states of consciousness, to change your life and transform your life. Love all you can. Love everyone. Love what you do. Love your body. Take care of your body. Use love as a tool of change, a tool of transformation.